Autoscan is a feature on Galaxy S23 devices that automatically scans apps for malware and other security threats when they are installed. This can help to protect your phone from viruses and other harmful content. If you have disabled it for any reason, you can re-enable it by following these steps. Open the Settings app and tap on Battery and Device Care. Select Device Protection and tap on Turn On. This will immediately enable the feature. To configure it, tap on More Options in the top right corner and tap on Device Protection Settings. Make sure that the options Auto Scan Apps Daily and Auto Scan when installing apps are both enabled. You might notice that your phone will take a little time installing apps after this. It's because it will scan it for malware and other security threats. If any threats are found, the app will be blocked and you will be notified. We suggest you enable these features, especially if you often install apps from sources other than the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. This way, you can boost your privacy and security of your device and your personal information. We hope this guide can be helpful. Thanks for watching.